Like Corona?
This is palatial.
What does that mean? Block fairies don't exist. Tooth fairies do.
This takes a lot of work. Monster bathroom, mate.
Oh, yes.
I woke up next to my bath this morning.
Wow, you know me. Options McGee.
When the boys put in such a good effort, this is how we repay the favour, you know? I'm feeling grout. Grouts. Feeling great.
I heard there's a $6,000 bath sitting on the footpath last night, so I hope I didn't go walk about last night.
Is everything?
Here she is.
Weighs 250 kilos. And you know what? If it was gone, good on them. Well done. I applaud them.
You know what? He slept with the bath last night. I think we can cut him some slack.
My wife's missing in action, but I've got my new wife. Hey, Hoppy, how are you, buddy?
Oh, fine.
You're a lot more prettier than my wife.
Oh, I try hard.
Did they tap dance in those days?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And they tap dance their way out of the room.
That's my GIF rock. Go on.
Wakey, wakey!
I love George's high fashion.
There you go, man.
Wow. Oh, do you love that they've put up the batting, Luke? So we don't hear what their plans are.
Where am I going to stack them?
I can't hear you. There's this great big divide between us. I can't.
I'm pretty focused.
Oh, yeah?
Pretty focused.
On this?
Focus. Focus.
Jimmy's focused. I'm not so much.
What are you doing?
Go for a ride.
What do you mean?
Go for a ride.
Why are you just like...
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
You're gonna love that being on Australian television, aren't you?
That won't make the cut, I don't think.
Oh, I think it's gonna be on TV.
I think one was funnier, to
Is
be
he
honest.
salty? I can't tell.
Salty.
I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody has got a body like you.
Measure twice, cut once.
Pass, cut us another bit of cheese there, would you, Scotty? Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip. I don't know no.
Camera's just not working. Yeah, they can hear us, but
Maybe their internet's not strong enough.
Hey, Sarah.
Tell whatever cow you got the router on to walk a bit far away.
I don't know what Dan's thinking.
You've been lost in the bush, Dan. Wilson!
He went back to his wolf pack.
Oh, yeah.
We're home. Oh, Jazz, did you sanitise?
No.
They're here. Go in.
I don't know what's going on.
Go in.
Daddy's home. Thought I'd come back to a fully completed garage, but I've come back to a Dexter lab.
You know what, man? I dropped a lot of weight when I was here for 5 weeks, right?
Now you tell him lies.
No, serious.
Now
I put
you're
it all
telling
back
lies.
on in 6 weeks.
I miss this. I miss getting filmed eating my breakfast. No one at home gave a for me.
Hey, mate, you put a bit of weight on.
Go ahead. Make my day.
So when you're having a bath and shower, you just be like, hello, boys. Hello, everyone. Hello, neighbours.
I think what we do is we have carpenters arrive at 7:45. They commence work at 8, not 7:10. Clear. Wrong mate. You're a head, mate.
after he called you fat as well this week.
I love the block.
Mate.
Smoothie.
Did you say smoothie?
I said smoothie.
Yes. We got to paint to the window, to the wall. Bit of swept job down our ball.
What's for dinner?
Ribs.
Oh.
Unless, of course, they're delivering 3 rooms.
Fuzzy peach.
Fuzzy peach, fuzzy peach.
Just a tad dirtier, I reckon.
Yep.
Dirty fuzzy peach. You know,
No,
you know what
don't.
the peach emoji means.
Just don't.
You don't want a
go
dirty
there.
fuzzy
Jimmy,
peach.
Jimmy, don't.
Who's the boss?
I'm the boss.
Who's the boss?
She's the boss.
The lion sleeps tonight.
Today, I've seen you do more work than what you did in the last 5 weeks pre-isolation.
Was it that bad?
You were pretty lazy.
No way.
You were, mate.
Come on,
I'm
man.
impressed. You're a new man and I'm impressed.
All right, thanks, man. I'll take it as a compliment. What'd you get?
I had to get some PVC glue.
Put it in my barrow.
Oh, mate, thanks, mate.
What a neighbour's for,
Mate,
brother.
yeah.
Let's go.
Can I sit in there too?
No, let's not push that.
Or whether you're really like Dr. Evil.
Despicable Me. The evil guy from Despicable Me.
He does look like a little bit like the bad guy on the Thunderbirds, doesn't he?
But I haven't got bush eyebrows.
Bedroom window. Harry von Schweiger, the Greek, Austrian, German,
Who sings Italian songs?
who sings Italian.
Oh, here we go.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
What a beautiful singer. What a beautiful singer.
Much wine, that's amore.
Really don't know the words there, buddy.
I do.
OK, then.